Are looking for the right Mastercam post-processor for your CNC machine? What if you could access one of the largest collections, all in one place? Welcome to CNC Post Center. In this video, I'm showcasing my massive collection of Mastercam-compatible post-processors. This collection includes post-processors for more than 500 CNC machines, covering almost all major brands used in the industry, compatible from Mastercam X9 up to the latest 2026 version. Now I will quickly show you some of the post-processors from this collection. As you can see, posts are organized brand-wise and machine-wise. This is a post for a Viva brand with Mitsubishi controller. My collection includes a wide range of machine models. Posts are available for milling, turning, and multi-axis machines, suitable for industrial use and production work. These are post-processors of Brother brand for machines M140X1, M140X2, X1 3-axis and X1 5-axis. This is just a small preview of my full collection. In upcoming videos, I will show these post-processors in action and generate proper CNC-ready G-code and also demonstrate real machine outputs, all using these industrial-grade post-processors. If I get good response and queries from viewers, I will continue making detailed videos for each machine. Now let's take a look at DMG MORI post-processors. If you are working on DMG MORI machines, this collection can save a lot of time in post setup. Here you can see multiple machine series available, including CTX, DMF, DMU, Duoblock Evo, Monoblock, MTL, ZL, NHX, NLX, and many more. These post-processors are configured to match real machine movements, and that's why they are production-ready post-processors. Overall, a wide range of DMG MORI machines are covered here. If you need any post-processor urgently, you can contact me directly. Now let's take a look at DN Solutions post-processors collection. Here you can see multiple machine series available, including DNM, DVF, MX, Puma, SMX, TT, VCF and many more. Most of the post-processors are compatible from Mastercam X9 to latest versions like 2026. If you want, I can provide free sample G-code for testing on your machine. Just email me. Now let's take a look at Haas post-processors collection. Here you can see industrial-grade post-processors for Haas machines, including DS series, ST series, UMC, VF2, VF4, VM, VR, and many more. These are not just basic or generic posts. These are high-quality, industrial-grade post-processors, tested on real machines for accurate and reliable output. Designed to generate clean, machine-ready G-code, suitable for production and professional use. I'll pause the voice here so you can clearly view the post-processors. Let's go through different machines and models one by one. Now let's take a look at Mazak post-processors. Mazak machines are known for their advanced technology and complex configurations, and finding accurate post-processors for these machines is not easy. But the post-processors you are seeing here are developed and configured based on real Mazak machines. Here you can see support for 3-axis and 4-axis machines, along with advanced multi-axis configurations. All these post-processors are designed to handle real machine behavior and generate clean, reliable CNC G-code output. This helps reduce errors and saves time in production. Overall, a wide range of Mazak machines and configurations are covered in this collection. Now let's explore post-processors for Mikron, Nakamura-Tome, OKK, Okuma, Quickmill, Takisawa, Tongtai, Toshiba, and YCM. Take a closer look while I go through the collection. I'll add explanations where required. To explore the complete collection, scan the QR code shown in this video using your phone, or visit my website directly for full details. Now let's take a look at generic post-processors. These are standard post-processors, and they are a cost-effective option for many users. If you have some basic knowledge of post-processor editing, you can easily modify and tune them according to your machine. These posts come as a complete bundle, so you get access to a wide range of machines in one package. They work well for basic machines, and in many cases, they can run without much modification. These are especially useful for learning, testing different machine configurations, and understanding how post-processors work. If you are interested in these generic post-processors, you can contact me directly. I have the complete collection available. I also have machine simulation models for Mastercam, which help you simulate toolpaths and G-code without running it on your actual machine. I will cover that in upcoming videos. Let me know in the comments if you are interested. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.